Let's talk about unity in business partnerships. When we build together, we succeed together.
Clear communication. Communication is the cornerstone of any successful partnership. When partners communicate openly and frequently, they ensure everyone is informed about the business's status, upcoming decisions, and any issues to be addressed. Holding and attending regular meetings, clear channels for sharing information, and a culture that encourages openness and transparency can help maintain effective communication. Aligned goals and vision. Here's why it matters. When partners share the same goals and vision, they are more likely to work together harmoniously towards common objectives. This alignment helps in making strategic decisions that benefit the entire business. From the outset, partners should discuss and agree on the long-term vision and specific goals for the venture. Regularly revisiting and realigning these goals can help keep everyone on track. Defined roles and responsibilities. Clarity in roles and responsibilities prevents overlaps and ensures that each partner knows their specific duties. This clarity helps in maximizing efficiency and reducing the chances of conflict. Clearly outline each partner's responsibilities in a formal agreement or document. Regular reviews and adjustments can be made as the business evolves to ensure roles remain clear and relevant. Mutual trust and respect. Trust and respect are essential for a positive and productive partnership. When partners trust each other's abilities and respect each other's opinions, they can collaborate more effectively and create a supportive environment. Building trust takes time and consistent effort. Partners should demonstrate reliability, integrity, and respect in all interactions. Celebrating successes and supporting each other through challenges can also strengthen trust. Conflict resolution mechanisms. Disagreements are inevitable in any partnership, but how they are handled can make a significant difference. Effective conflict resolution ensures that disputes are addressed constructively, preventing them from escalating and disrupting the business. Establish clear procedures for handling conflicts, such as mediation processes or designated roles for conflict resolution. Training partners in conflict resolution skills and maintaining a culture of open dialogue can also be beneficial.
Follow us or subscribe at SBBO Pro, or find us on the internet at sbbopro.com.